Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the Gboard is not showing in the default keyboard list. You can see actually first of all we need to check whether the Gboard is installed or not. Here you can see I already installed the Gboard, but the Gboard is not showing in the default keyboard list. You can see, right? So let me show you how to fix this problem. Simply, first of all, go to the settings, tap on general management, tap on keyboard list and default. So here you can see the option Gboard. Turn on this option, tap on OK. Then go to the default keyboard. Now you can see the Gboard is here. From here you can easily select this one. So simply in this way we can fix the Gboard is not showing in the default keyboard list. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.